Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to get coordinates in Google Map. So let's begin the video. Open Google Map. Now zoom on the location and just hold the finger on it to drop a pin. Now slide up this bottom menu and here you can see that we have the coordinates of this place. It will also appear on your search bar. If you want to copy that, just click on it and it's copy to clipboard. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.